What's going on, guys? Back at it again. Today we have received our supermoto wheels, guys, so stay tuned. We're gonna be putting them on now. This is how they look. Oh yeah, first look at the Kenda Curve. These are supermoto wheels, guys. They are pretty nice. Check this out. Oh yeah, we'll be putting these guys on. Stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, so we got the supermoto wheel on already. This is one of them right here. Big difference, guys. Big look from here to there. Can't compare this little small ass tire to this tire right here. Supermoto. That's what a supermoto is all about, guys. Like I said, guys, Electro and Co sent me this these wheels. They're freaking awesome. I like them a lot. They're fat. Big difference between this wheel and this dirt wheel, guys. They do package it real well. Comes with everything. Straight fit on. A straight fit onto your Razor SX500 or MX 650, whichever one. For either for both razors, guys. It comes with its brakes. It comes with the thing to adjust your brake calipers. Comes with the spacers. Also with these extra little nuts. It's pretty good, guys. Big difference, like I said. You can act from this look to that look. Wow, big difference, guys. I might upgrade my son's moto tech over there as well. And yes, guys, stay tuned for the after look of this supermoto look, guys. So for those that are new, hit the subscribe button. For those that are in TikTok, follow me, guys. Meets Electro. Check me out, guys. Electro and Co, guys. Highly recommend it to you guys. For those that have razors and want to modify them, these upgraded wheels are fucking awesome, bro. Big difference between the back and the front. As you guys can see right here, big, thick, and very thin. This looks fucking amazing. Everything's on point, no rubs, no nothing. Like I said, they come with the spacers. You can use the same axle, and we're gonna drill this big bad boy back together. And I'll stay tuned, guys, for the after look for these supermoto wheels, guys. So as you guys can see right here, we are putting the one of the spacers on the moto wheels right here. So I'll tighten this guy up. Take this guy up. Okay, that's ready. As you guys can see, we got the wheel right here already. We got the other one already on there. It's looking fucking awesome, bro. Can't wait to put this wheel on. Oh yeah, most definitely. Yeah, guys, we just mounted our back spacer for the back tire. We're about to mount this back on right now. Once this is done, we're gonna put the brake extension caliper holder right here, and we should be good, guys. We just trimmed this down, guys, because these moto wheels do not fit unless you trim this down a little bit. That's the only way you're going to be able to fit these tires. One way is this, and there's another way if you order the extension arms that reach more back down. But we're going to do that and waste that extra money on that when it's unnecessary, guys. But it's all up to you guys. Yes, guys, we have done it. We've done it. We got the supermoto wheels on there. Everything is on, guys. As you guys can see, this thing is awesome, bro. Look at this thing. Mission completed. We added the zoom brakes front and back. Got the brakes for the front. Got the brakes for the back. And I think we should be good from now on. So with that being said, guys, thank you all for watching. These are the moto wheels. Once again, 76 volt, 20 amp hour with the one motor. And yes, we're out, guys. So stay tuned for part 3, guys. Part 3, we will be putting on the chain. We also did just put on the new shock on this. So we're all set, guys. We're just waiting for the chain to slap this baby on there and take it right. So with everything being said, all right, guys. So like I said, thank you guys for watching. Until the next time, guys, we'll be back with another video. So stay tuned for part 3. We will be putting on the sprocket on this mini moto, and from there we should be good. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button. Your boy Flip meets Electric. Yeah.